Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to clone your voice using AI in ElevenLabs. It's pretty simple and easy. So first of all, make sure to log in with your correct credentials. After getting to this dashboard, go to text to speech in the playground section. Make sure to create your right script. After that, before clicking generate speech, you can see the voice here. Click it and then click explore voice library. It will redirect you to this page. So as you can see in blue right here, create or clone a voice. Just click it, and from here, as you can see, this option instant voice clone. This option lets you clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio, or you can use the professional voice clone section. But to unlock these options or these functionalities, you need to be on at least the starter plan to use instant voice cloning. So make sure to buy one of ElevenLabs plan in order to continue with that. After that, you have to upload your MP3 voice in order to let ElevenLabs AI model train on your voice, and by that you can create your instant voice clone, you can create your professional voice clone, text to speech AI generated. Hope this video is helpful. See you in the next one.